I am Assistant Professor Aparna Kedari. Today we are going to study Chapter 4 Aldehydes and Ketone. Then first is the introduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are organic compounds and they are involved in many biological reactions and they are used as a starting material for many organic synthesis. Then the acetone is used as a solvent in industry. Many hormones and drugs contain ketonic group. Then formaldehyde is used in polymer industries in large quantity. Then most of the properties of these aldehydes and ketones is due to presence of carbonyl group as a functional group. Then let's discuss about the structural features of carbonyl group. This is the carbonyl group. Both aldehydes and ketones have general formula CnH2nO and both contain the carbonyl group as a functional group. Then these both aldehydes and ketone are considered as a carbonyl group, carbonyl compounds because they contain carbonyl group. Then this is the aldehyde. In aldehyde, the RC double bond OH and in ketones both are alkyl group attached to carbonyl carbon. But in case of aldehydes, one group is alkyl or aryl group and second one is hydrogen. Therefore, these aldehydes and ketones are carbonyl compound. Then next is the first aldehyde. Aldehydes have general formula that is RC double bond OH. In aldehydes, the carbonyl carbon is bonded to hydrogen atom. That is, these are bonded to hydrogen atom, and one is alkyl group or aryl group. But in case of formaldehyde, it is also aldehyde. But in case of formaldehyde, these two both are hydrogen attached to carbonyl carbon. Therefore, these are aliphatic aldehydes and these are aromatic aldehydes. In aromatic aldehyde, this group is aromatic group and here alkyl group. Therefore, except for formaldehyde or aldehydes contain aliphatic alkyl group or aromatic group. That is benzene ring. Then next ketones. In ketones, the carbonyl carbon is bonded to two alkyl or aryl groups. When two groups are same, there are two types of ketones. The when two groups, that is these two groups R and R dash are same, then this type of ketone is called simple ketone. For example, here acetone. In acetone, these both alkyl groups are same, that is CH3CH3 methyl group. Therefore, acetone is example of simple ketone. Then in case of mixed ketone, second type of ketone is mixed ketone. In mixed ketone, these two groups are different which are attached to carbonyl carbon. For example, here acetophenone. In acetophenone, one group is phenyl and other group is methyl group. Therefore, it is the type of mixed ketone. Then nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. First, aldehydes. The common names of aldehyde are derived from corresponding carboxylic acids by replacing IC acids of aldehyde, and branch chain aldehydes are named as a straight chain aldehyde, derivative of straight chain aldehydes. And the position of substituent attached to these carbons are designed by the Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma and delta, and the carbon atom being on adjacent on the aldehyde group. Here formaldehyde is a common name. Here isobutyraldehyde, 4 carbon aldehyde, isobutyraldehyde, and at second carbon, that is at alpha carbon, there is methyl group. Therefore, it is isobutyraldehyde. This is straight chain compound, and here it is 3 carbon aldehyde, that is propionaldehyde. Then IUPAC names. Then IUPAC nomenclatures of aldehyde. In IUPAC nomenclatures of aldehyde, the longest chain carrying aldehyde group is considered as a parent structure, and it is named by replacing last letter of E, that is E of corresponding alkane. And the carbonyl carbon is always designated as number 1. For example, here this carbon is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is a common name. This carbon, that is carbonyl carbon, is a first carbon and this carbon is second carbon. Then in this 2 carbon alkane, that is here 1 and 2, 2 carbon alkane is ethane, and in this E of ethane is replaced by Al. That is, ethane becomes ethanol. This is the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes, ethanol. Then second example is the propanol. That is, it is 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon aldehyde. 3 carbon alkane is propane. Then E of propane is replaced by Al. Therefore, its nomenclature becomes propanol, and its common name is propionaldehyde. Then next, third is the 3-bromobutanol. Uh, Here first carbon is carbonyl carbon, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this substituent, that is bromine, is present at third carbon. Therefore in nomenclature the position of this bromine is given by number, that is it is at third carbon, therefore 3-bromobutanol. 4 carbon alkane is butane, and therefore the E of butane is replaced by Al. Therefore the nomenclature of this compound becomes 3-bromobutanol, or beta bromobutylaldehyde is a common name. That is, the position of bromine is given by beta. This carbon is beta carbon. That is, the carbon which is directly attached to carbonyl carbon is alpha carbon, and adjacent to this is beta, and this is gamma. Therefore this bromine is at beta carbon. Therefore beta bromobutylaldehyde is a common name. Then next, aromatic aldehydes. In aromatic aldehydes, the AR group, that is aryl group, is present. And when formyl group is attached to aryl group, this formyl group means the CHO, that is in aldehydes, the CHO group is called formyl group. And this formyl group is attached to aryl group, that is benzene, then or aromatic ring. Then most of the common names are retained in IUPAC nomenclature. For example, first example is the benzaldehyde. Therefore, it is IUPAC nomenclature of this benzaldehyde. Then this is para-benzaldehyde, para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Here parent compound is the benzaldehyde, that is aldehyde, aromatic aldehyde. And with respect to this CHO, this carbon is first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. This carbon, that is this at second position, this carbon is orthocarbon, metacarbon, and paracarbon. This nitro group is para with respect to CHO, that is formyl group. Therefore, it is para-nitrobenzaldehyde. The next compound is tolyldehyde. In this para-tolyldehyde, that is CH3 group is para with respect to this CHO group. Therefore, it is para-tolyldehyde. Then this is last example, ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Then this OH group, that is hydroxy group, is at ortho position with respect to this aldehyde or formyl group. Therefore, it is ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Then aromatic ketones. The common names of ketones are derived by two groups attached to the carbonyl group, because here the two groups are same or different, alkyl or aryl. Then IUPAC nomenclatures of these are ketones. The longest chain carrying ketonic group considered the parent structure, and it is named by replacing E of corresponding alkane with ONE. And the carbonyl carbon is given the lowest number. Therefore, for example, here this is symmetric structure. Therefore, we can start numbering from this side or this side. Suppose here we start from this side. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This keto group is at third position. Therefore, it is 3 pentanone. The 5 carbon alkane is pentane, and E of pentane is replaced by ONE. Therefore, the nomenclature of this compound becomes 3 pentanone. Or if in common name, this both group on either side of this carbonyl is ethyl group. Therefore, prefix di is added because there are two same groups and it is two ethyl group. Therefore, diethyl ketone. The next example is 2-propanone, that is 1, 2, and 3. 2-propanone are a common 3 carbon alkane is propane, and therefore the E of propane is replaced by ONE, and therefore it is 2-propanone. Then dimethyl ketone and acetone. This is common name acetone or dimethyl because here two groups are CH3 group or methyl groups. Then here next is aromatic ketone. Aromatic ketones. Ketones in which the carbonyl group is attached to benzene are named as a phenol. For example, here the acetophenone because this group is aceto group and phenol. Acetophenone and then or its common name is methyl phenyl. This group is phenyl. That is C6H5 group is a phenyl group. Methyl phenyl ketone followed by the name of both alkyl groups followed or aryl group followed by the word ketone is the common name of aromatic ketones. Methyl phenyl ketone. Then second example, both groups are phenyl groups. Therefore, its IUPAC nomenclature is benzophenone and suppose its common name, then it is di. Prefix di is added because here two phenyl groups, therefore diphenyl ketone. Then next example is 1-phenyl-2-propanol. Here this is 1-phenyl 1, 2, 3. Here there is no substituent but this side phenyl is a substituent. Therefore we have to start numbering from to this straight chain from this side 1, 2 and 3. Therefore this phenyl is a substituent. Therefore its nomenclature IUPAC nomenclature becomes 1-phenyl-2-propanol or common name is benzyl. This group when this benzene ring attached to CH2, that is this whole group becomes benzyl group and this second is the methyl, therefore benzyl methyl ketone. Here follow the alphabetic order. Then next is cyclic ketones. The carbonyl carbon the carbonyl carbon is always given number 1. Suppose for example here 3-member ketone, cyclic ketone. Then this first carbon, second carbon and third carbon. Therefore there is first number 2 carbonyl carbon. Then the cyclopropanone, 3 carbon cyclic ketone, therefore cyclopropanone. Then next is 5 carbon cyclic ketone, therefore it is cyclopentanone. Again here cyclo word is added because it is cyclic compounds and E of alkane is replaced by ONE, that is propane. It becomes propanone, ONE, that is cyclopentanone, not propanone, cyclopentanone. Then here cyclohexanone. Then here the substituent is present on this ring carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to start numbering from this side because to this side there is methyl group is a substituent. Therefore, first carbon to carbonyl carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Therefore, it is 3-methyl cyclohexanone. We have to mention the position of this substituent. It is at third carbon with respect to this carbonyl. Therefore, 3-methyl cyclohexanone. Then next, the physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Then first physical property is boiling point. Aldehydes and ketones have higher boiling point than hydrocarbon of comparable molecular weight. For example, here is the acetone. Acetone has molecular weight 58 and N-butane also has molecular weight 58. But here the boiling point of this acetone is 50 degrees Celsius, 56 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of this N-butane is 0 degrees Celsius. Here this is polarity in this compound, therefore this boiling point of this ketones or aldehydes have higher than the hydrocarbon of comparable molecular weight because polar character of this carbonyl group. Oxygen is more electronegative. It withdraws electron from this bonding pair of electrons and acquires slight negative charge. Carbonyl carbon acquires slight positive charge. Such a polar character is absent in butane or hydrocarbons. Therefore, these aldehydes and ketones have higher boiling point than the hydrocarbons of comparable molecular weight. Then next, aldehydes and ketones have higher boiling point than alcohols and carboxylic acids of comparable molecular weight. Because of aldehydes and ketones cannot form hydrogen, sorry, Aldehydes and ketones have lower boiling points than alcohols and ketones of comparable molecular weight because aldehydes and ketones cannot form hydrogen bonds similar to alcohols and carboxylic acid. Here it is character. Aldehydes and ketones are polar in nature, they cannot form the hydrogen bonding. But in case of aldehydes and alcohols and acids, they can form hydrogen bonding. Therefore, we require extra energy to break this hydrogen bond. Therefore, alcohols and acids have higher boiling point than aldehydes and ketones due to absence of hydrogen bonding in aldehydes and ketones. Then next, solubility. The lower aldehydes and ketone, that is up to carbon 5, are appreciably soluble in water because it forms hydrogen bond with water. When these aldehydes and ketones, both aldehydes and ketones form hydrogen bonding with water, here the hydrogen in water is positively charged and oxygen is negatively charged because oxygen is more electronegative and it acquires slight negative charge, hydrogen acquires slight positive charge, and there is interaction between this negatively charged oxygen of carbonyl of aldehydes and ketones, and therefore they form the hydrogen bonding uh, between this carbonyl oxygen and the hydrogen atom of water. Therefore, both aldehydes and ketones up to carbon 5, they are soluble in water. But when this R group, that is from carbon 6, the R group increases, that this side chain increases, and therefore hydrophobic character increases, and there is less solubility in water and they becomes insoluble in water.